get this shit for me.
What's the festive season without going to the most lit events, guys? I'm your plug. We are going to Jollof Festival.
I'm currently lying on the toilet floor.
Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the vlog. Merry Christmas. My name is Indira Ganga. Welcome back to the channel. As a Christmas gift to me, please take a second, scroll down below, click the subscribe button. Thank you very much. We are here at Jollof Festival. We are here to sample drinks, sample food, sample desserts, and when I say food I mean jollof, and also just have fun. So guys, come with me and let's go on the most amazing Christmas ride you ever have on screen. So guys, this is a short that you're given to try. I've met a nice lady. She's behind the camera. Her name is Bella, right? Yeah, bad influence. But it's non-alcoholic because my parents watch this channel. This is actually nice. It's surprisingly good. I'm getting that one. Remember the shot we just took in the sea range? Oh yes, to Jesus light. What's the logo? No. It's so good. So this is what I'm trying. I miss my partner in crime, Okedi. This would have been so much fun without her, but she's having the time of her life in Nigeria. So here's to me. This is virgin, by the way, and it's so delicious. The ginger and the pineapple notes are so great. They all just work together, and I don't know what else they've added, but it's so delicious. So good, so good. I don't think my stomach has the ability to try all the drinks here because metabolism, when you grow old, your body doesn't break down sugar and alcohol as it used to when you were a teenager. So I'm gonna go easy. After this drink, I wanna go find jollof and try jollof from here, and then maybe we can have some dessert. So cheers, amigo.
A few moments later.
Okay, so to be honest, I don't mean to be shady, but this guy filled my cup with ice, and then 3/4 of it was the drink. So I'm suffering in this Accra. Business is what you do to us. What you do to us, God is seeing you. Does it happen to you like when you go to buy a cocktail and then half of it is ice and then the other half it's actually a quarter because the ice melts and then makes it water blends with. Okay, I wasn't good at chemistry, you get what I'm saying, right? try the jollof. I've eaten jollof before in Ghana, but because it's Jollof Fest, you want to believe that it's the best jollof. Actually, can you see that? That was a gift from my sweetie for my birthday. Anyway, that's outside the point. We want to try this jollof and see if it's the real deal. Okay guys, moment of truth, first bite. It's actually really good jollof, but I am the worst person to judge jollof because I'm not Ghanaian or West African, but I like what I'm eating, so I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll see you guys as we look for dessert. Yeah, dessert. Guys, I am in desperate need of water, and also I am so tired. I'm not the most social of people, though I look like a social person and come off as a social person. I'm not. Events drain me. I feel tired and already I'm a little bit under the weather. COVID really did a number on my immunity, so even a small cold, I feel like I'm about to die. Anyway, I'm gonna rest for a little, then we continue. In the meantime, let me show you more stalls. Currently, I wasn't even able to eat a lot of my food. It's still here with me. My body is screaming, stop and go home. So we are just gonna go get dessert and then I'll be out because I know better than to push my body. So this is the final lap. Stay with me. You got me singing, way oh, way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh. Guys, so we wanna try the cake. The strawberry cake. My honest review is that it's too sugary and I don't like sugary things, so it's not necessarily my favorite thing. It's not necessarily my favorite thing, but it's too sugary. I'm a little bit sick, so the easiest way to get nauseous is to eat sugar. So I don't think I will be eating the rest of that. But it's been nice. I want to go home now. I'm tired. Guys, currently, can you see how much I'm sweating? I'm currently lying on the toilet floor. So real quick, this is the toilet actually. Then that's me. Can you see how much I'm sweating? So my sister told me there's this thing called long COVID. This video is supposed to be a happy video, but never ever say COVID is not real, because I was sick in March and until now I still suffer. Like I was shooting and then I just felt like there was no strength at all in my body and I felt like I was gonna fall, and I had to ask where the toilet was, and there are stairs, you guys. I felt like I was gonna die. I was so lightheaded, and when I came, the first thing I did was just collapse on the floor. Thank God there was a waitress who works here in the toilet, and when she came out and saw how profusely I was sweating, she just asked if I was okay. She's brought me some water and gave me some tissue, and I've been through so much, but like the kindness of people is what gets me through all these phases of sickness. Those are people padding outside, like I came here to have a good time, but sometimes my body just doesn't cooperate, and that's why I don't even like go out to try things, because my body just gives up on me, and it's the hardest thing to be young and you can't do all the things that you can do at your age because of ill health. This is not how I intended to end the video, but I'm so tired, and I just want to like be real with you guys. I'm not worried to like someone's strength. I could have someone's strength and sign out, but I'm just gonna chill here for a minute, lie down. I don't even know about the floors. I'll shower when I get home. And just drink my water, get better, and then head home. It was nice. I haven't even eaten, guys, because I was feeling so nauseous. So I hope you enjoy the festival. I just wanted to come here and just share with you the latest update, because if I'm sharing bits and pieces of my life, this is also a part of my life that I want you guys to know, and know that